Ofe Nsala, also known as white soup, is originated from the eastern part of Nigeria. The soup is usually watery and is extremely easy to prepare, but can be quite expensive. Pour water into the skillet, then add the mackerel fish, add onions and crayfish blend, add the yam cubes, add grounded uziza seeds, dried fish, snail, and stockfish. Add the ogiri obe. Stir and making sure that the yam settles underneath the juice. Add fish seasoning, stir, and add utazi leaves using your palm to crush. Then add Ngozi's Kitchen extra hot sauce and allow to simmer for 10 minutes on a medium-high heat. Now serve with a smile. Delicious. Tastes good too. Wow, look at that. Now add hot water into the church pan. Slice the yam. Nsala soup cannot be fully enjoyed without pounded yam or fufu. Allow to cook for 10 minutes and transfer into the food processor. Allow to mix for at least 5 minutes. Once it's soft and fluffy, use your spatula and add into a ramekin bowl ready to dish out. Transfer into a flat plate, and here you go. That's your pounded yam. Enjoy with Nsala soup. Delicious. Go rock your kitchen now.